Hey there YouTube, today is Friday, June the 28th, 2019. It's 6:51 in the morning, and this is going to be another installment of the Red Dragon Adventures right here, as you can see. And this is the spot where we slept last night, and this is our last night in the Yukon. We should hit Alaska today. See that nice blue bridge? I wanted to bring this to you. We will be crossing this bridge this morning here in probably the next 20 minutes. And you see that river down there? That river is the Yukon River. That thing is around 2,000 miles long. They're saying the fourth or fifth longest river in all of North America. And it's running. That's actually a dam down there that you can probably barely see, but it's full open, so they're letting all the water flow. I know it was open last night. We walked right down there to it. But anyhow, it's just got a slight bit of cool in the air this morning, but not bad. As you can hear and see, there is a little bit of traffic. We are about 21 miles from Whitehorse, Yukon. We should hit Alaska sometime this afternoon, so hopefully this video will be showing that, whatever we can find along the way here, so I can bring you some interesting stuff. Hopefully watch this guy cross the bridge. And so just to show you, there's the sun setting there, so obviously that's the east. It's rising there, that's the east, because it's morning time, like I said, 6:51 a few minutes ago. Anyhow, there's the Red Dragon there and the FJ. And this guy here, he was here before us. The guy in the boat was here before us. These people showed up sometime last night. Well, another thing I want to start showing you, it don't get dark until a minimum of 12:30 around here. So, and I mean 12:30 in the morning or later. And I think it gets light by probably 4 a.m. So there's not much darkness, but I'll show you a little trick that we've done to finally help out with that, which made last night our first night of sincerely great sleep. So anyway, this is the area. Hope you like this part. We'll move on and see what we can find. For our next clip in today's video, you can see we got the Alaska Highway sign. The Yukon dedicates this highway to all veterans. If you look back here in the background, of course, you should see some very high, tall mountains. And then all along the road, they have these purple flowers. And that's a beautiful sight. Here's from the road. Man, the flies are seriously bad. Let's keep going. Let me show you one more point of view. Alright, so for our starting this point of view, as you can see, there's the Red Dragon and the FJ pulling it. You can hear traffic going by. But there, of course, is the road. The mountains are out there. The sign's right over there to the right. These mountains are really, really hazy or smoky or something. I think it's smoke. I think it must be fire somewhere. But this is the setting anyway. There we go. Maybe that's a good view. Hopefully. So we'll go on, and then we're getting close. We're on the other side of Haynes Junction, by the way, on the Alaska side. So we're west of Haynes Junction. And we're moving on. Next stop is Destruction Bay for more gas. Yet again, a lot of this is nothing but gas stops. That's why there's very little video of all these places, because honestly, most of it's just not worth shooting. So we'll talk about that later. Okay, that little faraway sign down there says Yukon, larger than life. And so you've seen a sign just like that before. But as we turn around, over here is Welcome to Alaska. Right up there, it's the American flag and the Alaska flag. So here we are. Cool. And if I look underneath, you can see the Red Dragon right through there. Let's see if we can get this lined up. Yeah, I think I'm pretty much getting it all. So we've definitely got that. So it looks good. And there's the Red Dragon. Awesome. Let's get this thing here. Alright, so now we check in with the Red Dragons, and look, they finally made it to Alaska. There's the sign. And if we look over this way, you see the Red Dragon over there. So here they are. They finally made it. Ain't that good? Alright, wait till see where they wind up next time.